Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. Today's video is about how to make grilled fish in an OTG oven. Home baked fish is really delicious and let's see how to make it. For making grilled fish, I have used a medium size fish which is fleshy and fresh. Now we have to make cuts over the fish so that the marination gets applied properly inside and out of the fish. We have to put the cuts on both sides of the fish like this. Now we'll move on to the next step, that is marination. For marination I have taken half teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, required amount of salt and 1 tablespoon of garlic crushed. I have also taken lemon juice of half a lemon. First I had marinated only 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Later I have added 1 teaspoon, that is total 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and also I have added half teaspoon of fennel seeds powder. I have mixed all the spice powders in the lemon juice to make a paste. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used coconut oil here into the mix. Now I am adding 1 more teaspoon of chili powder. I have used Kashmiri red chili powder here and half teaspoon of fennel seeds powder, and mixing everything well. You can add these in the beginning itself, but I have added later only. Now mix properly. Now we have to apply this marination properly inside and out of the fish so as to cover the whole fish. Here I have just shown a basic simple marination. You can add any spice powders of your choice. Some people prefer adding curd, kasur methi, chaat masala, etc. But I have used a simple marination here. After applying the marination all over the fish, that is inside and out, we have to cover the fish and then keep it inside the refrigerator. We don't need to freeze it, we just have to keep it in the refrigerator for about half an hour to 1 hour. Now let's get into the grilling process. I am grilling this in my 35 liters Havells OTG oven. First we have to preheat the oven. For preheating I have set the temperature knob to 200 degrees Celsius. In toast mode, that is both rod heated. You can see 2 lines, that is both rods are heated, and for a time 10 minutes. I repeat, the temperature is for 200 degrees Celsius in toast mode, that is both rod heated, for about 10 minutes. While preheating, I am not placing any tray inside. Today I am grilling the fish in the baking tray itself. You can do it in 2 methods, either in this baking tray, that is a black tray that is provided, or in the grill rack itself. You can grill using the grill rack also, as I have shown in the grilled chicken video. I will leave the link in the description box below, but this method I find it little more easier, so here I have used the baking tray itself. Over the baking tray I have applied a little bit of oil and then placed a baking paper sheet over it and applied little more oil over the baking paper and applied it with my hand all over the paper. Now our baking tray is ready to grill the fish. I have placed the marinated fish that I have taken just out of the refrigerator over the baking tray. I am pouring little more coconut oil over the fish. This ensures that the surface of the fish will be moist and it won't be drying during the grilling process. A marinated fish is ready to be grilled. The oven is already preheated and I got a tring sound when the preheating time of 10 minutes is over. Now I'll open the oven door and place the baking tray with the fish in the middle rack. And close the door. Now we'll give the settings for grilling the fish. I have set the temperature at the same 200 degrees Celsius itself. That is the temperature at which we have preheated. In toast mode itself, that is both rod heated with fan. Fan is not a must. If your oven does not have fan function, it's okay, but both rod has to be on for a time 30 minutes. I repeat, temperature is at 200 degrees Celsius in toast mode, that is both rod heated with fan for about 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes is over. I've just opened the oven door and checked the status. Our fish is almost cooked, but we need to grill it now. For that we are going to change the settings. I'm retaining the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius itself, but here I'm going to change the mode from toast mode to grill mode. Grill mode means only the upper rod will be heated with fan. You can see only one line, upper line, that indicates that it's grill mode. In grill mode for about a time is for 10 minutes. I repeat, in 200 degrees Celsius in a grill mode, that is only bottom rod heated for about 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes of grilling is over. So total 30 minutes in toast mode and 10 minutes in grill mode is over. Now we can see that one side of the fish is wonderfully grilled. I'm taking the tray out from the oven and then slowly turning it the other side using a spatula. And we have to apply little oil over this side also and keep it back for grilling. Here I am applying little oil over the fish. Turning to the other side ensures that both the sides are grilled properly and it will be crispy. Now we'll place the baking tray back into the oven, close the door, and now I'm going to again set the temperature. I'm setting the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius itself. I'm not changing the temperature here, and changing the mode to grill mode for about 10 more minutes. I repeat, we are grilling the other side of the fish at 200 degrees Celsius itself. In grill mode itself, the top rod heated with fan for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes of final grilling is also over and our fish is perfectly done and it is grilled on both sides, and we are taking the fish out. Now I am closing the oven door, switching off the mains and changing the function knob to 0. Let's have a closer look. Here I have changed the mode to 0 to switch off the oven, and the time is at 0 itself. And another thing we can do is that we can keep the oven door open for some time. When the oven is completely cool, I'll be just cleaning the inside with damp cloth. Our grilled fish is perfectly ready to be served. It's really delicious and it has a different taste from that of fried fish. Grown-ups as well as kids will love to have it. Hope you all will try it at home. Thanks for watching.